Hey everybody, today we're going on a tour of Folsom's newest home build community, Sendero at Folsom Ranch. This is their Plan 3 model. Stay tuned. Let's take a look. Yes, indeed. Ha! Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Zubair Caston, local real estate advisor in town, but most importantly, a very proud girl dad. Today's video, I took you guys on a tour of what the Plan 3 model looks like at Sendero at Folsom Ranch, which is Folsom's newest home build community. Now, it still blows me away that these things are considered condos, because they're built like townhomes. They have incredible layouts, and this Plan 3 model is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, just under 1,900 square feet. But as you guys see, as you walk in, you're greeted by a bedroom that's on the downstairs, perfect for guests that are coming over, sleeping over, kind of keeps them away from the main quarters, which is upstairs. Perfect for those maybe in-laws or senior relatives that come over that don't like stairs. Having that perfect bedroom downstairs is just ideal. You walk into a very spacious living room area that has enough space just to make it extremely cozy. And what you guys saw, of course, is the model unit. So you guys got to see what upgrades look like in these tri-point homes. And once you do upgrades, you can then make the house very unique and very yours. But I also will throw this out there too. When buying new construction, if you avoid doing the upgrades when you buy, maybe to save you some money, you can always do them in time after you buy as well. It's just a good thing really to take in and kind of get some ideas on what perhaps you could do for the future. But the Plan 3 model, being a little bit more spacious than the Plan 2, it offers a little bit larger of a kitchen area with that pantry. The backyard area is still the same size as the Plan 2 backyard. And remember, here at Sendero, Plan 2 and Plan 3, they're the units where the garages don't enter directly into the home. So after you park your car in your garage, you're either entering through your backyard door or out the side into your front door, whichever one that you choose. But the Plan 2 and Plan 3 models don't offer direct access into the home from the garages, but nonetheless, they're still very spacious, still very homey. Now, another difference between the Plan 2 and Plan 3 model is that the Plan 3 has a little bit more space upstairs with that loft space. So that loft space is very clutch for those people who maybe work from home, maybe want to give their kiddos a little bit more of a play area up there, but it's just a good little added bonus of some extra square footage just to give your home just a little bit more room. The room layouts upstairs, for even being a condo, these things seem like single family homes because you don't feel cramped up like you do in most condos. And that's why when it comes to these tri-point homes in Sendero at Folsom Ranch, they're a very, very good purchase because these condos literally feel like townhomes. And if you take townhomes out, they feel like little single family homes. Now, who are these homes not for? Let's talk about that. These homes are not for people who are looking for anywhat of a spacious backyard area. You're not going to get that here. If you're looking for room because you have multiple pets, these tri-point homes may not be for you. because of the condo living, but they're perfect for anybody trying to get in to an entry level home buying experience. They're perfect for that. You have very low liability, low maintenance. It's just an excellent opportunity to get in this market for such an affordable price. And if you don't know where these spots are, they're on the south side of Folsom. So getting in at this part of Folsom at this point in time in the market is a perfect time because they are building drastically on the south side of 50. Coming in 2027, they're going to be adding the Alder Creek Marketplace, which is going to include a Safeway and some other shopping amenities for the convenience of the south side of 50 people. Because for right now, in order to get to a grocery store, we got to go into the north side of Folsom, which is an exit away, or you have to battle the traffic of East Bidwell sometimes, or you can sneak up the White Rock area into El Dorado Hills to access some of those markets as well. But in time, because of all the development the developing that they're doing on this side, the south side of 50 is going to be the hotspot. Now, here's the crazy thing about me. When it comes to El Dorado Hills specifically, I prefer the north side of town because the north side of town is where all the established neighborhoods are. Same thing with Folsom. Folsom, on the north side of town, you get more of the established neighborhoods where you get more established trees, right? The newer development side, everything is so new and modern. Trees are young. I never really realized how much I love a good aged tree, but that's besides the point. But on the Folsom side, I prefer actually the south side, the newer side. So in El Dorado Hills, I prefer the north side because it's more established. But in Folsom, I prefer the south side because for some reason, it just has really good energy to me. And here at Sendero, the way that these units are backed up to that White Rock area, you kind of have good views of the rolling hills back there. And sometimes when the cows are out, listen, I am not that person, but I'm becoming that person that I actually like drinking coffee and looking out at cows sometimes. And that's what you get when you're at these Tri-Point homes here at Sendero at Folsom Ranch. So very spacious unit, plan 3, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, just under 1,900 square feet. You got the extra benefit of that little loft space upstairs that gives you extra square footage from the Plan 2 model. And to top it off, if you're looking to make a move soon, come here to Sendero at Folsom Ranch today. Let's go take a tour. Sendero and Tri-Point is offering buyer incentives for their quick move-ins. Now, you guys have to act fast on this because once these quick move-in options are done, these type of incentives aren't going to be here. They may have some incentives down the line once some of the newer builds get built, but for right now, they're offering huge incentives for quick move-in options for the last units that they have available of the homes that are already built and ready to move in. So act now. If this is something that you're looking into, if you're a first-time home buyer, someone with a small family just looking to get into the housing market at the entry level position, these are the homes you really want to look into. The HOA is low, Melrose is low, but most importantly, the homes are built for energy efficiency. The design in them are very spacious. It makes them feel literally like they're not even condos. So if you're looking to tour these units, I would love to be your tour guide. I would love to take care of you. Come on down, reach out today. Let's get you into a home. Let's get you out here to Folsom's newest, hottest home build community, Sendero at Folsom Ranch. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. You guys, if this is something that's brought value to you, please like, subscribe, do whatever you can to help your man. I didn't even try to rhyme, but anyway, do whatever you can to help your man. And I'll just be producing more videos just to kind of give you guys the best of all worlds when it comes to either relocating here or making your next move in your home buying or home selling journey. I'm Joubert Caston, over and out. Take care.